Hello. Welcome to the Iowa Land Records e-submission training series. In this segment you will learn how to delete a document from a group that is in progress, how to delete a document from a group that has been declined by a county recorder, and how to delete a group after documents attached to the group have been removed. Begin by navigating to the Iowa Land Records e-submission website. Log into your e-submission account with your ID and password. Once you are logged into your e-submission homepage, you will notice a table where all of your unfinished groups are displayed. The table includes information such as group name and status. For this demonstration there are two groups displayed. The first group is called Deleting Documents Demo. The other group is called Deleting Documents Demo 2. You will also notice that for each group there is a status. The first group has a status of in progress and the other has a status of recorder declined. The status of in progress indicates that the submitter is working on the group and has not yet selected the Submit Group button to submit the group to the county recorder. A recorder declined status indicates that the recorder has declined the document and has returned the group to the submitter. To begin this demonstration, the pencil icon next to the Deleting Document Demo group will be selected after opening the group. The list of documents in the group will be displayed. Select the pencil icon associated with the document in the group. After selecting the pencil icon, the General tab will be displayed. Select the Review tab to go to the Delete Document options. When viewing the Review tab, notice the two radio buttons at the bottom of the page. One is labeled Update. The other is labeled Delete. Select the Delete radio button. After selecting the Delete radio button, select the Submit button. This will confirm that you wish to delete the document from the group now that the first document has been deleted. The next step is to delete the remaining documents in the group. Select the pencil icon associated with the next document to be deleted. Next, select the Review tab. Navigate to the bottom of the Review tab and select the Delete Radio button. Select the Submit button at the bottom of the page. This action confirms that you intend to delete the document. When you have deleted the final document in the group, you will be returned to the Group tab. Observe the message stating that there are no longer any documents associated with the group. Because there are no documents remaining in the group can be deleted. Select the Delete Group button. After selecting the Delete Group button, you will be returned to the e-submission homepage. Note the message in green letters at the top of the page. This message confirms that the group was removed successfully. The next segment demonstrates how to delete documents from a group that has been declined by the county recorder. Start by selecting the pencil icon next to the group name. You will be directed to the Group tab as previously shown. Select the pencil icon next to a document in the group. After selecting the pencil icon, you will be directed to the General tab. Navigate to the Review tab to delete the document from the group. On the Review tab, notice the Resubmit and Delete Radio buttons. Select the Delete Radio button to remove the document from the group. Select the Submit button to confirm that you wish to delete the document. After deleting the document, you will be returned to the Group tab. Notice that the remaining document in the group was declined by the county. Following the same procedure, delete the remaining document in the group. Select the pencil icon associated with the document. After selecting the pencil icon, you will be directed to the General tab. Again, select the Review tab to delete the document from the group. Select the Delete Radio button. Again, select the Submit button to confirm that you wish to delete the document. After selecting the Submit button, you will be returned to the Group tab. When there are no documents remaining in a group, the page displays a message confirming that the group has no documents. Delete the group by selecting the Delete Group button. After selecting the Delete Group button, you will be returned to the e-submission homepage. Note the message in green letters at the top of the page. Again, this message confirms that the group was removed successfully. Congratulations! You now know how to delete a document from a group that is in progress. How to delete a document from a group that has been declined by a county recorder. And how to delete a group after documents attached to the group have been removed. Here are some key points to remember. Select the pencil icon next to the group you would like to edit. In the group, select the pencil icon next to the document you would like to delete. Navigate to the Review tab and select the Delete Radio button and then select Submit. Repeat this process for each of the documents in the group. Return to the Group tab and select the Delete Group button to delete the group. Thank you for participating in the Iowa Land Records training program. More resources and training information can be found in the tutorials section at iowalandrecords.org/esubmission. For the latest news about activities at Iowa Land Records, please follow us on Twitter, @Iowa Land Records. Again, thank you and have a great day.